The big problem is most hand sanitizers contain alcohol, which means they only kill germs while they're wet. They offer no lasting protection and must be applied many times throughout the day. Not only that, alcohol-based hand sanitizers strip your skin of protective oils, which leads to dry, damaged, uncomfortable skin. Hygienitech's 24-hour hand and skin sanitizer doesn't contain alcohol, so it doesn't dry out or damage your skin. Best of all, it continues to kill germs, bacteria, viruses, and more for 24 hours. You apply it once per day, and it leaves your skin feeling soft and super smooth. Simply spray it on and rub it in as it dries. It's that easy. Hygienitech's 24-hour hand and skin sanitizer creates an invisible force field that kills microbes on contact. It's scientifically proven to stay at 99.8% protective strength for 24 hours. No other hand sanitizer can make that claim. Research shows that Hygienitech's 24-hour hand and skin sanitizer also promotes the healing of minor scratches and wounds. So it does more than just protect your skin, it helps to heal it. This breakthrough formula was originally developed for use by hospitals to protect medical professionals and their patients with compromised immune systems. Now it's available to you. Take your health protection to a whole new level with Hygienitech's 24-hour hand and skin sanitizer.